Did you know Greece has over 6,000 islands, but most travelers only ever see two? And tucked into its mainland and shores are places so cinematic, so quiet, and so soul-stirring, they almost feel secret. Today, we're skipping the cruise ships and Instagram crowds to explore Greece's hidden gems, places that locals treasure and most tourists miss completely. Google places to visit in Greece, and you'll get Athens, Santorini, and maybe Mykonos on a good day. But what if you've already been, or you're craving something more intimate, more cultural, or less selfie stick chaos? Most travel guides don't go beyond the surface. And women over 50, we want more than just a pretty view. We want meaning, charm, peace, and a little magic. So let's go deeper. Let me show you 4 places that changed the way I see Greece. Mantura, towering rock formations with monasteries built into the cliffs. It's like a spiritual Machu Picchu without the altitude. Nauplio, once the capital of Greece, think Venetian charm, seaside promenade, and elegant architecture with none of the cruise ship crowds. By the way, if you want to see all these places in one trip without hotel hopping, ferry schedules, or lugging your suitcase through cobblestones, I've linked the exact cruise I recommend below. It's adults only, comes with 70% off your second sailor, and yes, it even includes a stop in Bodrum, Turkey, which most itineraries skip. Now, let's talk about one of my absolute favorite places. Hydra. No cars, just donkeys, boutique hotels, and stone paths winding through whitewashed beauty. It's like time stood still. Exactly. Villages tucked into the mountains of northern Greece, stone bridges, ancient footpaths, and forests that feel enchanted. But the one place that absolutely stole my heart, Simi Island, just off the coast near Rhodes. It's painted in sherbet tones with neoclassical mansions cascading into a harbor so quiet you can hear your own awe. No big ferries, no big crowds, just old world elegance wrapped in light and sea. So yes, Athens and Santorini are iconic, but Greece is layered with wonder. And these lesser known gems, they're the real heart of it. Ready to see the glow for yourself? I've linked the Greek Island Glow selling below, departing August 31st to September 7th. You'll explore Santorini, Rhodes, Bodrum, Mykonos, and Athens. With adults only luxury, curated excursions, and effortless island-to-island travel. Balcony upgrades included, 70% off your second sailor. If you're interested in the full Greek Island Glow guide, I've linked that below as well. Perfect for planning your own unforgettable escape. Tap the link. Your next unforgettable chapter begins here. I'd love to know, have you been to any of these destinations? Or is there a Greek hidden gem you think deserves the spotlight next? Wherever you're going next, travel smart, protect what matters, and live boldly. I'll see you in the next one.